Hello everyone. Well, today you get me. Although Terry is sitting right next to me. So we're going to do my swap embellishments from Ginger's Corner. All info will be below. So the first one is Egg Excellent. Anything with an egg. And this Happy Easter one was made by Mallory. And then we have this one. And this one was made by Carolyn. Okay, and next up is this little basket made by Kimberly. And then these accessories here. If I can get that one.
I don't know if that was actually with it or just something. I don't know what it was.
Okay. All right. Now this one we don't know who made it. No name on the back. But a big egg. All right, and then these here were made by Terry.
Those are the ones I sent for the swap. Say that. These are the ones I sent for the swap.
These are the ones that she sent for the swap. All right, and next up are fur babies. Any pets? And it looks like,
Oh, they were by Linda. And she made this too.
oh. And is there something in here?
Yes. It's like pet things.
Okay. It's
Bones.
bones and pet sayings. Probably the same as, oh, no. These look like maybe flowers?
Hearts.
Hearts, butterflies,
Assorted.
assorted. Okay.
Also by Linda.
And I'll let you put that back in there,
Thank you.
my trusty assistant. All right, here we have a big wolf.
That's by Linda too.
And yeah, this is by Linda also. Woof woof. And then, well, it looks like we have a lamb here. And that is by Crystal? Is that it?
I think so.
Terry thinks it's Crystal. This is by Carolyn.
She's had scrapping with a twist. You can say that.
She does scrapping with a twist. And then this is maybe a gerbil?
Maybe. By Sulfrid.
By Sulfrid.
And these are the ones I made.
And then these are the ones that Terry has made, the cats.
And I sent one of those.
And she sent one of those in the swap. All right, and next we have anything medical, healing powers, anything medical. And did we have a name on these?
These are the ones that had no name.
We had no name on these, but it's got healing vibes. Ouch. That sounds like it hurt.
Big Band-Aids.
Big Band-Aids, sorry you're sick. Get well soon.
Or you can add your own.
Or you can add your own on these. And best wishes for a speedy recovery. All right, and then
We think these go together.
we think these go together, and this is by Deborah. What can I do to help? And it looks like you either got a doctor's outfit or a nurse's outfit there. And then also another medical shirt with a heart beating.
Gonna see who it's by.
And it is by Suzanne. Very nice. And then it looks like we have some more Band-Aids with hearts.
And then we were the first to get the swap in, so we got extra special stuff.
Terry says she was the first to get the swap in, so she got some extra stuff.
Our group did. Our whole group did.
The whole group did, sorry. Not just Terry.
And these are all by Josie.
And these are all by Josie. Very nice. Ouch.
Yep, here's the one I made.
Oh, and here's the medical things that Terry made. A beating heart. Pill. Getting a shot. Listening to your heart.
Sutures.
Sutures. Okay, and then next we have the 4-leaf clover swap. And
All this is by that person.
all of this is by, looks like Lori. And that is very neat with the 4-leaf clover there and the Happy St. Patrick's Day. Another big 4-leaf clover here and a smaller one.
And a bunch of little ones.
And a bunch of little ones also over here.
And these are also from her bunch of words.
And these are also different words. Shamrock, Patrick,
Happy day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day probably.
Oh, I bet you that's lucky. But I got torn in that thing. I'll have to put it together.
All right, so
Bunch of
a
words.
bunch of words there.
So fun. I love it.
Terry says it's a lot of fun. She loves it. And then she's pulling some more stuff out. Is this part of the St. Patrick's Day stuff?
Yep, this is a pocket full of.
Scrapbooking with a twist
Yeah, that lady.
by Carolyn.
And the pocket's by her.
And the pocket is by her
And all the leaves.
and all the leaves.
Very nice.
Very nice. Oh, we got more.
This by somebody else.
And this is Lucky Me by Shannon. All right, so she made these two items.
No. This
Oh.
is by somebody else.
She made this, and this is by somebody else, by Patricia. Very nice.
And I already used my leprechauns on a layout. So I don't have those.
Oh, and Terry did make some leprechauns. She's already used it on a layout. Perhaps you've seen it already.
So thank you for joining me.
Thanks for joining me and my sidekick.
And if they want to swap, go over to Ginger's Corner.
And if you'd like to swap, go over to Ginger's Corner.
And I'll have the link down below.
And Terry will put the link down below.